Hi guys, I'm Brian. Today I would like to teach about the GitLab. This is also my first time to teach you the GitLab on my video. So today I will teach about why we need to use this GitLab and how to set out the GitLab project and how we installing the Git Batch in our PC. So why installing GitLab or use the GitLab is because the user can easily compile the code without conflict, and the leader is easily to check what is the new code that implemented by others, so that we no need to keep resend to the group every day. So let's start our GitLab tutorial. Before we create the GitLab project, we should install the Git Batch first. Why we need to install Git Batch is because we are not using the Linux operating system. So we need to install the Git Batch to allow us to emulation layer of a Git command line experience, so that we can use the Git command line in our Windows operating system. So here is a link to download the Git Batch to your computer. Before you using the GitLab at the GitLab website, you have to create a GitLab account by entering your individual email. Using your individual email is better than you use your university email. So in the future, when you have a job interview, you can show your works to them also. So I will show this step to you later. Okay, when you install the Git Batch, when come to this page, you have to beware that the default editor of the Git Batch is is the Vim editor. What is Vim editor? Vim editor is a little bit expert to use. So at this page, we should choose the editor that we have, like Visual Studio Code or the Atom. Okay, yeah. Okay. Later I will show this all step to you. Okay, now let me show on how to install the Git Bash and create the GitLab account and create the project in your GitLab. Okay, let's start. First, I install the Git Bash from this website. Okay, you can just choose your operating system that you use. So I choose the Windows. Okay. After you download the Git Bash from the website, this is the page to install the Git Bash on your laptop or PC. So now, as usual, click the next button, and this is the path next. Be careful. After this page, we'll have a page we have to beware. Okay, next. Okay, this is the page I think is the most important, and you have to beware on this. The Git Bash is the default editor is using the Vim editor. I think we should choose the editor that we have in our computer, or you more friendly editor. I choose the Visual Studio Code as my Git editor. Okay, after you choose the editor, just next and install it. Okay, so now we have complete installing the Git Bash to our computer. So let us finish this, and next have to do is go to your GitLab. Okay, so first the thing you have to do is register your account. After you register your account, use your account to log in here. uh, please don't use this Google to log in. Please use your username or email at here. So okay, this is my username and my password. Okay, this is the page, the main page of the GitLab. So here got the project you have done before. So now I would like to teach you about how to create the new project at the GitLab. To create a new project, uh, I will choose the create blank project. Okay, so at here you just type your project name. So I project testing project. Okay, testing project 3. Okay, and you have to choose the visibility level to private or public, but now I choose private. Okay, create the project. So after create a project, this patch is the project you create. So here you will see the Git global setup. These all are the hint to set up your GitLab project. Next, open our Git Batch that we install in our computer. Okay, okay. As you see, this is the Git Batch. Okay. First, what we have to do in our Git Batch is we can direct copy. Okay, you see here, copy the git config global, your username Brian. Okay, just copy it and paste it here. In this git command batch, you cannot use the Control V to paste. You have to manually paste it here. Okay. Okay, copy the second line. Okay. To check, is it your setup, the Git Batch is correct or not? You can check like this. Okay. You can git config global username. Okay. Okay, Brian. So this is the true. Okay. To check the email, user.email. Okay, it's true. So what we need to do for next is, okay, we can clone the repository to our computer. Because we have already created the testing project 3 on the GitLab here. So I show you. Okay, we have already created the testing project 3 at here. So we have to download this folder to our computer. How to download the folder to our computer? You just have to click git clone. Okay, and you go to your Git Bash. Okay. One thing I have to mention is after you create done this git config global user.email, after this setup, you no need to use the Git Bash again. you can direct close the Git Batch. And okay, beware that after you set out the Git Batch, uh, I prefer go to the setting, the preference, and change your password here. Change one time. Okay. This password can is to let you later you want to download your folder from the GitLab. You can use the password you change to download. Okay. Back to the Git clone. Okay. Copy the Git clone. Now I will show you how to download the testing project 3 folder to our computer. Okay. Open your command prompt, cmd. At the command prompt, you can just copy the Git clone here and paste it here. You see? Okay. Here is the problem. Okay. When you face this problem at here, when you Git clone the folder, and maybe you will face this problem. How to solve this problem? You can just direct go to the window credential. Window credential. You can just type credential manager. Okay. And go to the web credential. Window credential. And you go to find the gitlab.com. Okay. And remove it from your computer. Okay. After remove, try again. Copy the Git clone. Go to command prompt. Okay. The first time you clone your folder from the GitLab, you have to enter your username and the password. Username is this Brian Ding 2000. It's not your email, it's your username. You can check it at here. So you can type your username and your command prompt. Okay, Brian Ding 2000, and type your password that you create just now. Okay. Okay. After this message appear, you have already successfully cloned your empty repository to your computer. How to check that folder is already downloaded to your computer? You can direct go to your this PC, local disk, users. How to know the folder you download is at where is it is follow from here. C user and your folder. Okay, so I go to C user and found my folder. Okay, you can find testing project 3. Yeah, testing project 3 that I create just now. So you have already successfully download the project. Yeah, this is the folder that you create at GitLab. Okay, so how to confirm that this folder can be used in Git command? Okay, you can go to here, view and click the hidden items, you will see the hidden.git file. So this is the already the successful download the folder. Okay, untick the hidden item so that you will not be confused in future. Okay. So now I will show you on how to put your project into this folder. So okay, now okay, let's say you have created a code in Notepad. So you direct put your project into the testing project 3 folder inside here. Okay, after you put the code, like let's say your project code inside this folder. Okay, after you put so you can direct go to the command prompt, use the command cd to your folder. Now it's users and cd into the testing project 3. So cd testing project 3. Okay, so now you have already inside the folder. So what we should do is we have to push this code to our GitLab here. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so you can try to git uh, git status. Okay, git status is what? Git status is to check the status of our git file or others that code we have changed. So now you can see we are on the branch master. Okay, and we have the lab file.txt that we put just now. So this is the code that we put, the latest code we put inside this folder. So next we have to type a command line git space and space and add a full stop. Okay, and git commit, enter. Okay, when you git commit, your editor that you choose just now when you install the Git Batch, okay, it will come out this message and you direct commit your file. How to commit your file? You just like comment the code you put. Okay, you can do like this. First testing code push. Okay, and save it. Okay, then direct cross. After save it, then you can direct close. Okay, you see? Okay, you can check the status again. Git status on branch master. Nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. After you commit the project, you can git push origin. Your branch name is master, so it's git push origin master. What is git push? Git push is like we push the lab file.txt to here. Okay, later I will show you. So I enter first. Okay, so that's all for how to push the code to the GitLab. Okay, after push your code to the GitLab, you can go to your GitLab here, refresh it. Okay, so you see, you can see the .txt file that you pushed just now, and commit is here. First testing code push. This is the commit commit command that the command that I typed just now. Okay, go inside the lab file.txt. You can see the code. Okay, so you have already done how to push the code uh, to the GitLab. Okay. Um, Next. Okay. Next, I will show you if I change the code and push the code again to the GitLab, and what will GitLab done for us. Okay. So now I go into here, I open the lab file.txt, I delete the code, delete the word. Okay, I randomly delete the sentence. Okay, and save it and close. And after you change your code, you have to direct go to this command prompt and git status. Remember, you have to go inside this project folder and git status. Okay. Okay. Now you are on branch master. This is true. Okay. Yeah. Modify let file.txt, because you have modified your lab file.txt just now. So next, git add full stop. Have to space. You have to space and full stop. Space and full stop. Enter. Git commit. Okay. Git commit. So here is the command. Comment. So you comment. I change the code inside lab file.txt. Save it, close, and git status to check. Okay, nothing to commit. Okay, so now git push origin your branch name master. Enter. Okay, after you push the code, you can direct go to the GitLab, refresh. Okay, you can see the command that you typed just now. I changed the code inside lab file.txt. So you can open the .txt file. You see the code have already changed. So we no need to resend our code to our social group or what. This is the good way that GitLab can help us to organize our code. So next, I will show you how to create the branch. You see, our branch is master. I prefer the branch master is used by leader only. So if you are the member of this project, you can go to here and type git branch to check git branch master. So you now you are inside the branch master. So how to change the branch? How to change the branch? Git checkout b negative b and your branch name. You want like Brian 1. Okay. Okay. Switch to a new branch, Brian 1. So we check our branch that we have. Yes, you now are inside the Brian 1 branch. So most of us, we let the master branch to be used by our leader. So because we afraid that our code will be conflict, so others member will use the branch Brian 1 or create others branch instead of using the master branch. Okay, why we need to use the Brian why we need to use the others branch? Okay, let me show you. Okay, now I change the code again. Brian, change the code. Okay, save it, close, and go to here, Git Status. Okay, now I'm on branch Brian 1. Yes, inside your branch. Okay, instead of master branch. Okay, you have modified the let file.txt, and now I add one more folder to this project. Here, introduction.txt. Okay, Git status again. Okay, now you will see the introduction.txt here. Okay, next, as usual, git add space full stop, git commit, comment, I add intro.txt and modify let file a bit. Okay, save, close. Okay, git push origin your branch name. Remember, your branch name now is Brian 1. Brian 1. So git push origin Brian 1. Enter. Okay. Yes. Here. Okay. Next, go to our GitLab again and refresh. Okay. After you push the code to the GitLab by using the different branch, like now I'm using the Brian 1 branch instead of using master. Why we need to use the other branch to push our code is to this is to prevent the code conflict. How to prevent the code conflict? Okay, let me show you. Okay, you see, after I refresh, it is different as the master branch. Just now I show you the master branch. When master branch push their code to the GitLab, the code will direct go to here. As you see, now I'm using the Brian 1 branch, but I push my code to the GitLab, but the code doesn't go to here. So why? After you push your code, you have to go to the merge request. Okay, merge request. You will see you push that to Brian 1 minute ago. Okay, so you create your merge request. This is your comment just now. Okay, you will see from Brian 1 into master. This means that you want to combine your Brian 1 code into the master branch code. Okay. Okay, untick this and create the merge request. Okay, So after you create the merge request, uh, this is why we want to use the GitLab. I will show it here. Okay, when the member push the code to the GitLab, what is the thing to do by the leader is the leader can check the leader can check what code is pushed by their member. So leader can open the merge request here and go to here. The leader will see that a member has pushed the code at here, and leader can check the code. Check the code. Check. Okay. Commit changes. Leader can check the changes. Okay. You see, leader can direct see what code is being modified by member. So leader can check, oh, member have changed the Brian changed the code. Okay, oh, member have add new folder at here. Okay, the introduction.tsd. So leader can decide that is it this code can be merged into our master code. The master code is uh, our head code. So leader have to decide, is it okay to merge the member code to the master code? Okay. After leader checking the code, and I merge the code to our master code. Okay. 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 I have merged the code. So go back to your testing project 3 main patch. Okay, now you will see the introduction.txt at here. Yeah, yeah. So this is done by member. Okay. Okay, next. I would like to teach about how to add member to this project. This is done by project manager, the leader. So go to the members. Go to the members and type your like type your member name or email address. I randomly choose the member and choose the role permission. Okay, this is important. You have to choose your member as developer, not as maintainer. Maintainer is leader, developer is your member. So I choose developer. So the member can so this member can change my code and push the code or pull the code also. So invite and but sorry, this member I cannot invite him. So after you click the invite, this member will come to here. He will come to here. Okay, so after you invite this member now he can direct pull our code or push his code to this testing project. So everything is done, and thank you for watching. But if you have any problem or error, you can leave a message to me also.